Hi, my name's Andy York from Warner's Printers. We're putting together a selection of YouTube videos to look at different phenomena in regards to printing. Today we're going to look at rubbing and how this affects silk and gloss papers. So as we know, gloss papers have a very shiny finish to the actual surface of the paper, which gives a shiny image when it's printed. Whereas silk and matte papers and offset papers have a matte finish to the paper surface. So what happens is that matte and silk papers in particular are susceptible to rubbing. Rubbing means that the ink very easily rubs from one page to the other when the pages are rubbed together or in normal use, particularly with blues and heavy colours. So why does this happen? Basically, the surface of a gloss paper is very flat, so the light reflects from the surface of the paper. Silk and matte papers, however, have a surface that is more like this. It's an undulating surface that absorbs the light rather than reflects it. So what happens is we then apply the ink to the paper. When the ink goes onto a gloss sheet, which is very flat, it settles on the paper very well. When the ink is applied to a silk, matte or offset paper, what happens is the ink coats the peaks on the paper, and when those papers are rubbed together, the peaks can break off, carrying the ink with it, and this is what causes rubbing. There are ways to combat this. Letting the paper dry for longer can allow the ink to absorb better, or alternatively we can also run a seal across the paper, which is basically a clear seal that coats the whole paper to avoid the phenomena of rubbing. We hope this short video has been useful to you. There are some details on the screen now with our contact details on if we can help any further. We're also hoping to upload many more blogs and YouTube videos containing useful information about printing and the printing process. Thank you.